Have you ever wanted to create a Gmail account without using a phone number? Or maybe your Gmail storage is full and you no longer receive an important email.
If that is you, then this video is exactly what you need.
Today, I'm going to show you 2 powerful Gmail tricks that can save you time and frustration. First, I'll walk you through how to create a Gmail account without a phone number, step by step. And then, I'll show you how to free up storage space in your Gmail account so you can start receiving emails again without paying for extra storage. The best part, everything is simple, practical, and beginners friendly. So whether you're creating a new Gmail account or trying to fix your old email account, stay with me till the end, because this video can solve both problems in just a few minutes. So this is how to create a Gmail account without phone number. Let's get started. Click on your email, go to your profile, scroll down, click on there, click on Google. For my personal use, for work and business, click on for my personal use. So when you click on my personal use, this interface is going to open. Here you said create Google account, add your name, your first name. You click next. The date of birth will come. Make sure you put your date of birth, the one you will remember tomorrow. So you go here, gender, if you're male, if you're female, you just add it up. After that, Google will bring out some emails. So choose one if you want to choose. If you want to create your own, if you don't like these ones, you want to create your own, go ahead and create your own. At this moment, yeah, definitely, I'm going to choose this one, which is the first one. I will click next. It's a password. Google is now asking me for my password. So make sure you use the password you're going to remember tomorrow, or just take a pen and write it down as you're typing it. So next, click next. That's all. Congratulations. We just created a Gmail without phone number. So the next thing we are going to do is to click next. And we scroll down and click agree. Allow it to load. Let's go to our email. This is the first message Google sent to us. So guys, after creating the email account, go back to your Gmail, click on your profile, go to manage Google account, click here. So remember, like I said before, we are creating this email address without phone number. So all we need to do is to click here, your recovering email. If you have another email address, you can add it up here as a recovering email. So guys, now we have come to the end of this. Let's move to the second stage. Open your Gmail account. You'll see your Gmail profile picture, click on it. So guys, after that, you'll see manage your Google account, click on it. Then scroll down, look for data and privacy, click on it. So after that, you scroll down, look for Google Dashboard, you click on it. After that, you go down again, look for your photos. Okay, here is the photos, you click on it. Next one is to click on this 3 dots here, click on it. You will see desktop site, then mark it good. So guys, when you are here, zoom it a bit and scroll to the left. Click on this icon here, just touch it. So guys, this is it, recover storage. So move to the right, click on learn more. And you're going to see recover storage. Let me just zoom it a bit so you see it well. So next thing you're going to do is to come down a bit, share this box, mark it. Then after that, you will see compress existing photos and videos. Let me zoom it so you see. Just click on it. After that, it's going to take some time to finish. When it is done, you are going to recover a very big space on your Gmail account. So guys, if you benefit from this video, just hit the subscribe button and follow for more. Peace out.